everybody. Listen, welcome to a bullish market. Yeah, of course, we saw a very strong move over the weekend. Absolutely killed the pig. Went straight through 10,000, tapped on 11,000, and now we're seeing a little bit of funky, cool Medina behavior going on here. And, we're sitting at this looking at, a bit of a messy looking 4 hour. 4 hours not really where my love is. I'm still long. On my breakout from back here, I'm still in it obviously. My stop's here and I'm waiting for bigger pullbacks. Pretty simple stuff. But I want to walk you through the top 10 right now and just sort of see what could potentially occur. Because it's all fun and games while we go higher, but I want to give you an understanding as to what I see is going on at the moment. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin on Bitfinex, and of course, we have seen quite a decent move. We've seen a move over the last few days, 6.8, 5.2, but nothing too drastic, which is what I really like. It's been smooth buying momentum, as you can see here on that 4 hour. Look, nothing too wild. It's just been ticking along. When we start to get these big candles like we're seeing here, that's when the market can start to show signs that it may pull back. Now, it might not pull back as well. It's signs. It's not a magic wand, all right? It's really about understanding what's coming, what's likely, what is right now. And what is right now is that we're not clear on direction as far as where we're going to in the lower time frames. So for me, a pullback would be really, really wonderful to see, and here's why. Get me back to 10,000, get me cradle in the 12-hour zone, bingo. That's the sort of thing I'm looking for. But Bitcoin, as I say, looking really, really strong here, could pull back deeper. Just be aware, be focused, and be on the ball, because we don't just have markets that go up. We do have pullbacks, as we've seen time and time again. A pullback is definitely on the cards. With Ethereum, a couple of interesting things here. We did bust out above this resistance here, so naturally a really strong looking outlook for Ethereum here. Not a great deal of resistance until, what's that, 417, 400, the round number is probably going to play a bit. And there's a little bit there as well, but we've got plenty of room, so naturally I'm looking out for options there. EOS, not quite so good, still Lumen, still very sideways. XRP, well, it broke out to new highs this week as well. New 2000 highs, I should say. 2011, oh my God, 2019 highs. And we're pulling back at the moment. Again, it's on my radar for potential trades. Not really that excited about it right now. Probably the daily. I'd actually prefer to see it kick on and go to above 50 cents and hold it to see that solidity. Litecoin, pretty average here. It's getting, like I said, getting caught up. Needs to do something more. I like trading through these periods or trading the pullbacks, as you know. Bitcoin Cash, again, higher low here, higher high. Broke through 450, pushed into 500, broke it, and it's pulled back. So I am keeping an eye on Bitcoin Cash. Binance Tether has had a nice higher low here, higher high. It's at all-time highs at the moment. Well, it's been at all-time highs. I'm waiting for those pullbacks. Not really looking to get into Tether though. Not while Bitcoin's doing its thing. I don't hold any Tether at the moment. So just be aware of that when you're doing your own trading. Tron broke through this resistance here. If you have a look down on the 4 hour, you'll note it did have some resistance through here, not so much back there, but through here. Bees dick break, pop straight through. Could have been a potential Bitcoin breakout. Can't say now because I wasn't there. I didn't take it. But waiting for options there as well. Another nice little move there on Tron. And finally, Cardano. Look, what I want to see on Cardano, I've been speaking of it for a while, is to break to new 2019 highs, and it did by an absolute bee's dick. I want to see it above 10 cents. I'll be trading pullbacks above 10 cents. It needs to be above there for me. I haven't seen this cleared properly. It's sort of tapped it, pulled back quickly. I want to see that continue to drive to the upside there, guys. So really, really important there. To be aware of what's going on. We could see a pullback, we could see a deep one, we could see a little one. I'd love to see 10,000 in a cradle there. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about here, it's probably a good time for you to get involved. This market is getting some great momentum, and there have been some phenomenal trades. One of my members this morning told me that they, since last October, are up over 100%, which makes me very, very happy indeed. So well done to you. And look, as you know, we've got this tour going around. If you've registered, guys, you need to basically go and pay. If you want to be there, pay. All right, it's so important that you do because the rooms are filling. We want to get some sponsors along as well, and the numbers help us, and the registration helps us to understand more about what you are doing, how many people are coming, because we want to get you some good information based on different exchanges, maybe get you some wallets free. We're really working hard to make this a great event, and we're not going to be offering these live prices. Again, the margin's pretty slim. So it's for you. Get yourself registered. Don't just register, but if you're considering it, get on board. You can pay with crypto as well, which means, if you think we're going to have a pullback, it's probably not a bad time to do it right now. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you again later. Bye for now.